everyone. Welcome to Diksha Vedantu everyone. How are we all doing? Let me just check. You tell me if I am audible and visible properly, and let me just check how is okay. It has started. Very good. Hello everyone. Welcome to Diksha Vedantu. I'm your Aditi Ma'am, and today we are going to do a very important chapter of your class 10th, that is life processes. We will do most repeated questions, plus we will do all the back exercise. So that's a very important thing here. Okay, so in this today's lecture we are going to see from the starting life process, right? Now in life process we saw few processes, right? Life processes. So first one was what? Nutrition, right? Then respiration, transportation, and last one was what? Hello, it's Itzy. I'll call you Itzy, okay? Okay, now beta, in this life we have few rules, okay? I have some questions for you. You will have some answers for me, and whoever will give the first answer will get their name on the board, just like we do in all other classes, right? I think you all remember. Now, very important thing, yes, we were talking about all the processes we are about to study in this chapter, okay? Ma'am, I am weak in biology. No worries, Ramadas. After this, you won't be. Okay, that's my promise to you. We will do so many questions. Now, the point of this whole lecture will be, I'll give you a question, you give me an answer, and I'll give you an answer. Then, we will explain the whole thing as well. I will explain you the exact whole thing as well. Oh, the voice is a little bad. Okay, let me check. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'm calling the team. Just give me 1 minute, okay? Hang on tight. We are going to see some incredible things today. Hello? Bro, the voice. Okay, our techie person is coming. Don't worry. Hello, my creative craft. Yeah, it's really bad. Ayo. Is it okay now? No, it's not, right? Let me just check. I've called someone. They're coming. Yeah, it's bad. Okay, just give me 1 minute. In that time, you guys tell me, what do you think should we do in this class? How your life is going, if you want, or just wait for 2 minutes, okay? Anyone wants to tell where they went on vacation this year? Maybe I went to a trek. We went to a trek in Karnataka. It's called Kumar Parvata. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'll just share anyways. It was really hard. But we made it to the top somehow. Oh, the voice is really bad. I think the voice is decent. It's not that bad. I mean, we can start. Yes. Hello everyone. Is the voice, am I audible now? Is the voice okay now? बहुत कम भी है आवाज. हाँ. The video is stuck, Akash. No, it's not.
Hello, hello, hello.
Ha, it's okay. Okay. Now I'm audible, right? Okay. Yes, very good. Thank you, our techie person. Thanks. Say thanks to Akash, everyone. Okay, great. Now, let us move towards this lecture, which is called Life Processes, right? And I think all of you know that how important this chapter is in your class 10th, right? So we are going to look at all the questions from the basic to the advanced, previous year questions, most repeated questions, back exercise questions. Those are very important, right? Yes, my creative. Okay, so I'll give you one question, you give me answer. Whoever gives the answer first will have their name displayed here. Okay, I have not written. We are doing life processes. Okay, now meanwhile you can tell me one thing, that is, what is the one topic from this chapter that you actually really hate? If you want, you can tell me that. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the very first question. Are you ready, guys? Is everybody ready? Can we move on? Give me a thumbs up if my voice is audible, if I am visible to you properly. Can we start with the very first question on your screens? Fastest finger first. Every question is. Whoever gives the first answer will have the prize. Okay, first question on your screen, everybody, and that is, yes, the kidneys in human beings are part of the system for nutrition, respiration, excretion, or transportation. What are our kidneys used for, or which system are they a part of? Excretion, transportation, respiration, or nutrition? Let me know fast. It's very simple, very basic question, NCERT question, very important. C. Okay, our first answer is given by Suman. So Suman is saying C. Okay, we have Suman and we have who? We have Itzi. I'll call you Itzi, okay? Then we have Deepika. Okay, great. So all of you are saying C. So let's lock the option C. Correct, good. So option C is the final answer. Let's see, drum rolls. So I also have one more rule in the class. After every question you give, you get your drum roll emoji ready, because after the drum rolls only we will see the answer. Okay, and the answer on your screens is excretion. Very good, everyone. Jaspreet is also saying C. Great. So the answer is C option. And beta, kidneys do what? Saksham is saying D. Okay, what's your name, Itzi? I forgot. I couldn't see. Let me take this light here a little bit. Yes. Okay. Great. Saksham, it's C, that is excretion. Okay. Now our kidneys, they filter nitrogenous waste such as urea, uric acid, ammonia. All these wastes are filtered out by what? They are filtered out by kidney. And one of the main parts of kidney is what? One of the main, what should I call it? One of the main parts about kidney is what? There is one single unit inside kidney which is very important. That is what? Hello, vibes with Ronit. Hello, Ronit. How are you? Purification of waste water, you can call it. Yes. But if you write nitrogenous waste, yes, that is better. Okay. Nephron. Very good, Ronit. So nephron is a very important unit. Great. So this is a very important unit in your kidney, and you have the diagram of nephron. Important is very good. All of you know that. Great. Now let's move on to the next question. Anyone has any doubt, or if not, give me a thumbs up so that we can move on to the next question. And everybody who's there, quickly go like the session. Like the session fast. I am looking at the likes. Like the session fast. Okay, cool. Next question. Great. So the next question, everybody, on your screen, fastest fingers first. No, ma'am. Great, great. Okay, cool. Next question on your screen. The xylem in plants is responsible for what? Okay, we have thumbs ups. Very good, great. Transport of water, transport of food, transport of amino acids, whatever you want to call it, transport of oxygen. Of course. Of course. I remember a last student who came in my class, she used to write, of course. Is that you? But your name was not Deepika then. A. We have Ronit is saying A. Okay. Deepika is also saying A. Deepika is saying A. And we have, oi, hoi, hoi, hoi. Oh, arre bhai, ruko. Sandy is also saying A, and Itzy. Bro, I'm calling you Itzy, okay? Just let me know if you want me to call you someone else. Okay. Okay, all of you are saying A, transport of water. Okay, Sandy, I saw. Okay. Edit Guruji is also saying A. Okay, we'll call you Guruji. Okay, everybody, let's see the answer. Drum rolls. Can I have drum rolls? Everybody. Drum rolls are important. See, drum rolls are necessary. I can't do anything. I didn't make the rules. Drum rolls are important. What should I do? What can I do? Okay, waiting for drum rolls. Isma. Okay, Isma. Okay. Drum rolls are important. Oh, we are getting drum rolls. Come on, guys. Drum rolls are important. Adesh. Okay, Adesh, Isma. Let me just remember that. Okay. Okay, great. Let's see what is the answer. The answer is, everybody, answer is transport of water. Very, very good. Xylem carries water and minerals upward from the roots. Phloem carries the food. Easy. We know that xylem in plants, it carries water from the roots, from the soil to the leaves, the stem, the bark of the wood, everywhere. Okay, that's our one thing. Done. Xylem carries water. Okay, drum rolls are here. Get your drum rolls ready, because next time I don't want you to be late. Okay. Yes, Ronit is saying yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Any doubt? Let's move on to the next question on your screens, everybody. That is, the question on your screen says, the autotrophic mode of nutrition requires carbon dioxide and water, chlorophyll, sunlight, all of the above. Happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Pradeep. Hello, study buddy. Hello. Okay, Ronit is saying D, study buddy is saying D, Jasprit is saying D. Ronit, study buddy, Isma. Who else said D? Who else said? Arey bhaiya, Adesh, just once. I can read. Okay, I can read once. Okay, Adesh said D. Who else said D? Yes, Deepika said D. Deepika said D. And Royal FF Gamer. Okay, let's write you Royal only. Okay, great. Everybody, very good. Let's see the answers. And can we have drum rolls? Come on, everybody. It's the norm. What can I do? Drum rolls are important. It's a rule made by YouTube. You go talk to the YouTube founders. I'll show you the email. They asked me not to show you the answers without any drum rolls. Okay, AP football is saying D. Okay, yes, we have so many drum rolls. Very good. Let's see the answer. Okay, the answer on your screen is all of the above. Everybody was correct. Clapping for all of you. Clap for all of you. Great. Drum rolls are ready. I love it. Clap.
Clapping for you, all of you. Every one of you was correct. Not a single wrong answer. That is really great. Basanti also said D. Sulaim, can I call you Sulaim? Is also said D. Namaste Basanti. How are you? Okay. Now beta, we know that autotrophic mode of nutrition is what? In which the organisms make their own food, right? Now if organisms make their own food, they can't make it from scratch. They need some things. What are those things? Those are carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight, and basically what they are doing photosynthesis. Okay, next question. Yes, great. Okay, next question on your screens. Ready everyone? There. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy takes place in what? Cytoplasm, mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus. Yes, Ronit, control and coordination is coming very soon. Don't worry. Gaurav, what's your name? My name is Aditi Gaurav. I am from Punjab, Basanti. From Punjab, all the way from Punjab. Piyush is saying B. Okay, oi. Ronit, Piyush, study buddy, Deepika, Royal FF Gamer, Ronit. Okay, you guys are just repeating the okay. Basanti is saying B. Isma is saying B. Girja is also saying B. Very good. All of you are sitting together or what? All of you have a group where just one person gives the answer and everybody just copies it, right? All of you are correct. How are all of you getting correct? You guys are smart. I have smart audience. I like it. Okay, so B is the correct option. You are saying B is the correct option. Okay, come on. Drum rolls, everybody. I have to tell you every time. That's wrong. Now, next time, you have to be very careful that you have to send, along with the answer, send the drum rolls. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not make you send the drum rolls again and again and again. I know it can be tiring. So, let's answer and with that, send the drum rolls. Understood? Shagun. Okay, Shagun. Understood. Okay. Drum roll. Find an emoji. There is an emoji for drum roll, Meri Jaan. No, nice place. Yes, it is a nice place, but it's very hot right now. It's like 49 degrees, 50 degrees. Okay, we have drum rolls. Yes, Shagun, understood. Yes, I will, Adish, I will make you understand, don't worry. So, the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy beta, it takes place in mitochondria. So, listen to me, what happens? Yes, hello, Piyush. So, in respiration, what happens? The glucose is being converted into, in respiration, what happens actually, you tell me? The glucose is getting converted into energy. So, beta, there are 3 ways in that happens. First is 2 ways, in presence of oxygen, in absence of oxygen. Okay. In presence of oxygen, it happens in mitochondria. In absence of oxygen, it happens in yeast and all that stuff. Okay. In cytoplasm of the cell. And now there is third thing where is lack of oxygen. So when we run, okay, oxygen cannot go to all of our muscles. When we exercise, it cannot reach our legs. So we get cramps. Why do we get cramps? Because this glucose is not getting converted into energy. It is getting converted into lactic acid. And that's why, because of that lactic acid, we get cramps. Anaerobic respiration. Yes. But mitochondria, aerobic respiration is there. Aerobic, anaerobic. Ma'am, 5 minutes for 5 marks. Huh? What is that? How do you know that? Ma'am, यहाँ सा बारिश हो रही है. हाँ, Basanti, where are you from? Where it is raining? Deposition of lactic acid, exactly, and that is why we get cramps after doing a lots of exercise, because oxygen, there is a lack of oxygen in our muscles. Our muscles need more oxygen, but we cannot, with normal breathing, we cannot reach so much oxygen in that muscle. So, it converts into lactic acid, and when it gets oxygen, it converts back into carbon dioxide and energy, okay, and water. Done. Great. Okay. Next, moving on to, okay, glucose becomes pyruvate in the cytoplasm. The aerobic breakdown of pyruvate happens in mitochondria. Okay, sorry. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next question. What is the next question on your screens? How are UP में बारिश हो रही है? Oh, okay, great. How is the weather there then? Is it humid or it's like windy and it's good? Or is it getting humid there? Okay, how are fats digested in our bodies and where? By pepsin in the stomach, bile, salts and lipase in the small intestine, salivary amylase in the mouth, trypsin in the large intestine. Where exactly the fats are getting digested? Okay, you are from Odisha. Deepika is from UP, I am guessing, right? Humidity, that's bad, right? Ooh, Bangalore weather is so good. We have so much wind here. B, okay, B. Sumitra is saying B. Study buddy, I am so sorry. Can you tell me your name again? Sulaim is saying A. Okay, we have more than one questions, answers. We have A, we have B. B is what? By bile and lipase in the small intestine. By pepsin in the stomach. Okay. I am from Kota. Oh, nice. I lived in Rajasthan for a while. I did my masters from Jaipur. I don't know. Just okay, Shagun. Yes, okay, Shagun. I will remember that now. Shagun. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer on your screen, Girija is also saying B. The answer, everybody, actually is, it is B. Very good. Basanti is also saying B. By bile, salts and lipase in the small intestine. In the small intestine, right? Ma'am, A is the correct answer. No, beta, B is the correct answer. Pepsin is used to break down proteins. It is used to break down protein into peptides. Protein into peptides. That is what pepsin is used for. But after that, in stomach, in small intestine, we get bile juice from liver and we get pancreatic juice from pancreas to break down proteins, carbohydrates, fats. Fats is broken down into glucose, right? Wow, beta, wow. Biology without, what are you saying? Biology without B-O-O-G. ऐसा चम्मच पड़ेगा ना, ऐसा चम्मच पड़ेगा इधर से, हैं? Okay, Shagun, love you everyone. Okay, great, done. So bile salts emulsify large fat globules and they break down into smaller ones. So pancreatic lipase then breaks them into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, done. Let's move on to the next question. Hello, Gopi Kumar. Hi, Raw. Okay. Next question on your screens, everybody. Sixth question of the day. What is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? Okay, Sulam. That's great. That's the spirit I want from everyone. Okay. You can laugh all you want. You have to give your exams. Okay, you are the one who are sitting in the exams. Come on. Then biology will not say I love you to you. Okay, now fast. Tell me, what is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? It digests proteins into amino acids. Okay. It emulsifies fat into small globules. Okay. It wets the food and its amylase breaks starch into sugar. It makes the food acidic so pepsin can act. C. Oh bhai, itte sare answer. C. Okay. I'm just going to write everybody. I can't write everybody. All of your names, beta. That will be, the whole live session will go on. Okay, that's actually really good and that actually was an easy question. If you didn't give the answer to that, I will be really mad. Okay, great. Come on, you have not sent drum rolls from so many questions. Just because I don't ask, you can't just ignore it. Come on, send the drum rolls fast. Drum rolls, everybody, fast. I'm waiting. Yes, you will know the answer after the drum rolls. I need drum rolls. Come on. I'm waiting for drum rolls. I'm waiting for drum rolls. What can I do? You know, Elon Musk texted me yesterday that you can't give the answer without drum rolls. So you want me to go against Elon Musk? Huh? Okay, we have drum rolls. ना मैंने आज तक किसी का नहीं Good. It was a great prank. Nice. That's the one thing I actually couldn't figure out. Okay, we have the drum rolls and the answer on your screen is, it wets the food, obviously, we all know that. And its amylase breaks starch into sugar. Saliva makes the food passage smooth, and its salivary amylase, this is the keyword, okay, amylase you have to mention, converts starch into simple sugar, starch into maltose. Drum rolls. Okay, next question on your screen, everybody, and here is it. And just a reminder, send the drum rolls along with the option. Okay, you have to. Okay, great. Which of these is a byproduct of autotrophic nutrition? Oxygen, urea, lactic acid, or ethanol? Oxygen, urea, lactic acid, and ethanol, a byproduct. Do you know what byproduct is? Byproduct of autotrophic nutrition. Is it working? Where is it? Yes. Answers. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Prince. Hello, Prince. How are you? Oxygen. Kelly is saying oxygen. Shagun is saying oxygen. Sumitra, Akshat, Sulaim is also saying A. Okay. Adish is saying A. Great. All of you are saying A, and we have drum rolls as well. Very good. You're a good learner, Isma. Great. Oxygen. So A, we all are saying the answer as oxygen. So with autotrophic nutrition, the byproduct is oxygen. Let's see the answers. The answer on your screen, everybody, and that is exactly the oxygen. Because autotrophic nutrition, plants do it. Plants give out oxygen. We give out carbon dioxide. They need carbon dioxide. We need oxygen. So it's a healthy relationship going on with us and plants. Okay, great. Oxygen, very good. The splitting of water molecules releases oxygen. The stored product is carbohydrate, that is starch. Hello, okay, bye Prince, bye Madam G, bye Prince G. Okay, great. Next question on the screen, everybody, fastest fingers first. Which statement about anaerobic respiration is correct? Which statement about anaerobic respiration is correct? Remember, this is anaerobic respiration. So think about it first. What is anaerobic respiration? Okay? Yes. Already on the next question. You guys are so that. We call it Kala Pendame in Punjabi. That means you guys are so, how do you call it? I'm using 3-4 languages in a day. I just forget a single word in all the languages now. Okay. Ma'am, can you tell me at what time the class is over? It will be over by 6. Around 6:15. Okay, Akshat? We have a long way to go. Okay. So, it occurs in mitochondria and releases more energy. It occurs without oxygen, releases less energy, and yeast uses it. It always produces carbon dioxide and water. It occurs only in green plants in sunlight. We have the answer as B. It occurs without oxygen. Okay. Releases less energy and yeast uses it. Okay. All of you are saying B, and we have drum rolls as well. Great. So, B is the correct answer. Okay, you guys are saying B is the correct answer. Okay. It occurs in mitochondria and releases more energy. But this is anaerobic respiration. Think carefully. Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration means it does not need oxygen to do the respiration, to convert glucose into energy, ATP. I have just joined. Okay, great. All of you do like this session and quickly subscribe the channel as well. Okay, subscribe the channel. Let me know that I have subscribed. Then I'll show you the answer. How about that? Okay, come on, not a big ask. Just let me know that you liked the session and you have subscribed to the channel, and we will move on with our answer. And the answer on your screens, beta, is subscribed. So I didn't know the previous lecture. Okay, no, we have started with this lecture, beta. It's the first chapter of biology. Don't worry, okay? Okay, great. The answer on your screens, done. Very good. Thank you, Shagun. Subscribed already. Great. Ma'am, can you make one video for reproduction? Yes, I will. Very soon I will. Okay, great. Then the question, then the answer on your screens, everybody, is the answer is it occurs without oxygen and releases less energy, and yeast uses it, which is a really good answer. All of you are correct. Clapping for all of you. Good. So in yeast, pyruvate becomes ethanol, okay, and carbon dioxide without oxygen, releasing far less energy than aerobic respiration, right? Okay, done. Let me know in the live chat if you have any doubt or not, or we can move. Come on. Ma'am, does photosynthesis and respiration in plants occur simultaneously? Of course, beta. Photosynthesis happens what? Photosynthesis is the process which converts our carbon dioxide, water into glucose, right? So it goes hand in hand. If photosynthesis does not happen, there would be no glucose, right? So how will we convert glucose into energy? So it goes hand in hand. Ma'am, what is? Ma'am, yes, we'll do the reproduction chapter. Don't worry. Beta, pyruvate is a molecule. It's a 3-carbon molecule. Okay. So what it does is, it's like, what's the formula? C3H3O3, something like that. So it's 3-carbon molecule. Okay. Ma'am, you teach in good way, so anyone can't have any doubt. Oh, okay जी. मैम मैं क्लास 11th में हूँ, टाइम पास के लिए आया हूँ. कौन सा चैप्टर चल रहा है? अरे चल रहा है बेटा लाइफ प्रोसेसेस, बायो. विच सब्जेक्ट डू यू हैव? Okay, yes, I told you, just pyruvate is like a 3-carbon molecule, and you know it is like, basically it is used for synthesis of glucose. Done? It is already there, Daksh. Forces affect motion, it is already there. Don't worry. Okay? Yes, exactly. C3H3O3 is the formula. Correct. Forces affect motion. The whole video is already there, beta. Go watch it. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question we have. You are from arts and you are in a biology class. How amazing is that? Okay, you can give the answers and remember and tell us how much do you remember in your class 10th. Okay, next question on your screens, everybody. How are the alveoli designed to maximize the exchange of gases? They are thick-walled sacs filled with mucus. They are lined with rings of cartilage. They are balloon-like, giving a huge surface richly supplied with blood vessels. They contract rhythmically to push air along. अरे बच्चा टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, क्या करूं? नहीं पढ़ाऊं? हैं? नहीं जाऊंगी. नहीं जाऊंगी, जिम नहीं जाऊंगी मैं. बोलो. Okay, Akshat is saying A, Sumitra is saying C. Okay, we have two answers. Akshat is saying A, Sumitra is saying C. Okay, what are other answers? C, D, we also have D. Sulaim is saying D. Okay, we have answer as Isma is saying C. Isma is saying C. Shagun is also saying C. Okay, hi ma'am. Answer is C. Chikuji. Oh, Chikuji. What is this name, Chikuji? Are you Virat Kohli? Do I have Virat Kohli in my class? Okay, hi ma'am. Answer is C. Hello, Chikuji. Okay, great. Okay, great. C is the answer. Let's see who is correct. We have lots of answers. Hima is also saying C. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is C. Let's see the answer. Okay, what is the final answer on your screens? C, exactly. They are balloon-like structures giving a huge surface area richly supplied with blood vessels for the exchange of gases. Yes, I saw your answer, Chikuji. Facts. C, yes, great. Okay, so hello Vasu, hello Vasu. Okay, the alveolar surface would cover about 80 square meters, and its walls hold a dense network of capillaries. 80 square meters is like 20 into 40 meters. Oh, that's great. I'm probably 1.23 meters. Imagine 80 square meters. Yes, exactly. Abhi motive. Okay, let's move on to the next question. 80 square meters, when they are spread out, they will be 80 square meters. Yes, of course. Okay, let's move on to the next question on your screens, everybody, and that is, what would be the consequence of a deficiency of hemoglobin in our bodies? Excess urea would collect in the blood. Oxygen supply to tissues would fall, causing weakness. Starch digestion would stop. Water would be lost through the stomata. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Ma'am, we quiz. Ma'am, I'm studying in... Why am I getting audience from 11th and 12th? That too in biology. Okay, Satyam is saying A, Sulem is saying B. Okay, Akshat is also saying B. Chikuji is saying B. Isma is saying B. Okay, C. Shagun is saying C. Chikuji भाव ही नहीं दे रहा है अभी मोटिव को. Okay, चिकू reply कर दो अभी जी को. Okay, B होगा. Okay, let's see. The final answer is with B. Okay, I'm locking the option B. Can we get some drum rolls? Drum rolls here, everybody. Okay, come on, everybody. Drum rolls, beta. This question deserves some drum rolls, beta. I can't have it. Drum rolls are necessary. Abhi, see, Chikuji replied to you. No, B. Okay, B. Okay, great. The answer on your screens, everybody. Dun, 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 dun. The answer is exactly B. The answer is oxygen supply to tissues would fall, causing weakness. So hemoglobin, what's the main function of hemoglobin? It carries oxygen. It carries oxygen to different parts of the blood, to different cells. It supplies oxygen to all our body. So if hemoglobin is deficient, then our muscles, our tissues won't get proper oxygen in them. Okay? Okay? Done? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Any doubt, anybody? Kelly Jones is saying B. Okay. B. Yes, Chikuji. Okay, you gave the answer first. Very good. Done. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Hello, Nidhi. On your screens, everybody. Tanang! Double circulation in human beings means that blood passes through the heart twice in one complete cycle. Blood passes through the heart only one per cycle. The heart has only two chambers. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mix freely. What's the exact answer for this question? Let me know fast. Come on, let me know fast, fast. You got to be fast. Okay, we have the answer as C. Chiku ji, come on, don't do that. A, D. Shagun is saying A. Ume is Sulem. Sulem is saying D. Okay, Shagun is saying A. Sulem is saying D. C. Arey, don't give answer C, yaar. That's you're just messing with me. Kelly is saying A. Okay. Yes, it's fine. A, D. Ma'am, मैंने पहले दिया A. Okay, yes. Your name is on the first. Don't worry. A. Okay, we have all the answers as A now. Abhi is saying D. Okay. Sonam is saying A. Okay. Now we have the answer as A. So the final answer, I'm locking it as A. Final answer, I've logged in as A. Okay, great. Let's see the answer. Drum rolls, everybody. Drum rolls, everybody. Come on, everybody. Just drum roll. Dun, 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 dun. A hoga, ma'am. Yes. You have to give me drum rolls. I told you. Elon Musk told me not to tell you the answers without drum rolls. Okay, we have drum rolls and the answer on your screen will be A, exactly. That is, blood passes through the heart twice in one complete cycle. So this is your heart. What kind of heart is this? This is your heart. This is your liver. Let's say, what kind of liver is this? And this is your lungs. Oh, these are really bad. Okay, just imagine these are your lungs. Okay, I am not making a proper diagram right now. I don't want to. Okay, and I can say I don't want to. You can't, because you have paper. You have to if you want to get marks. Okay, so many drum rolls. Finally, great. So blood passes first. It goes from lungs to heart, oxygenated blood. That goes from heart to, that goes not here. Okay, the complete cycle I will tell. From there, the oxygenated blood goes to the organs. From organs, deoxygenated blood comes back, and then that deoxygenated blood is gone to lungs, and from that lung it comes out and in the form of carbon dioxide. Heart mama. मैम हमारे एग्जाम हैं. Okay, then you're doing good. You know all of the things. Don't worry. Just make diagrams, okay? Make diagrams. Practice making diagrams in biology. Don't make a hard diagram like this. You won't get any marks. Okay? And don't tell me that I didn't tell you. Blood travels heart to lungs to body, which keeps oxygenated and deoxygenated blood separate for an efficient oxygen supply. Done? Mama, no ma'am. मैम आपने सोलेनॉइड का एक्सप्लेन बहुत बढ़िया किया था. Oh, okay, thank you. You watched the solenoid, the last year video. Thank you. That really means a lot to me. Okay, let's move on to the next question, everybody. Next question on your screen, everybody, is what is a correct difference between xylem and phloem transport? Back, Ronit is back, everybody. Xylem needs ATP energy while phloem does not. Okay, both move materials only upwards. Phloem translocation uses ATP and is bidirectional. Xylem transport uses physical forces. Xylem carries sucrose and phloem. What was that? That was a glitch in the matrix. Phloem carries minerals. What is the exact answer? D. Chikuji is saying D. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. Hello, Nitin. How are you? Kelly is saying D. Ronit is saying C. Sulaim is saying D. Okay. Let me know. Self-love is saying D. Ma'am, Chiku ki bole maine message padha. Nahin. Chiku, don't read Abhi messages. Abhi's messages. He's just here to disturb all of us. Abhi, don't do that, Abhi. Okay, we have answer as D. Final answer as D. Okay. Xylem carries sucrose. Phloem carries minerals. One hell of an answer. Nice, nice. Let's see. Okay, let's get the drum rolls. Fast, everybody, fast. Now we are nearing the end. Show some josh. Fast. I need so many drum rolls in the chart. Fill the whole chart with drum rolls. C. We have answered as C. Okay. Come on. I need drum rolls. Yes, ma'am. A bit disturbing. Yes, exactly, Chikuji. C. Santosh is saying A. Phloem. What's the spelling of phloem? F-L-O-W-I-U-M. I have to write it. F-L-O-W-I-U-M. This is our phloem. Say sorry to phloem, beta. You have to say sorry to phloem. Me, Vartika. Hello, Vartika. How are you? Welcome to the channel. Okay, we have got drum rolls. Let's see the final answer. It's really scattered. All the answers are really scattered, I've seen. Okay, the final answer on your screen, everybody, is actually C. C is the answer, everybody. Whoever said C, very good. Very good. Everybody else, very good as well for trying. Okay. I God say it. Ma'am, I God say it. What is that? Asylum carries mini pearls, smart flying. What the hell are you guys writing? I got to say you. What I got to say you? Yes, I said first. Sorry, ma'am. It's fine. Drums are not able to find error. Just write drum rolls or drum in the chat. You will see the emoji. Okay. Let's see what happens, beta. Sucrose is loaded into phloem using ATP. Beta, ATP, phloem has to transfer food, so it needs energy. Okay, it needs energy, so it needs ATP, and it is bidirectional. Phloem is bidirectional, xylem is unidirectional, and xylem transport uses physical forces. What are the physical forces? Push from the roots when evaporation happens from the leaves, so it is pulling the water up. So all those forces happens in xylem, whereas in phloem we use ATP. We use ATP to transfer all the things up. Okay. My name is Aditi, everybody. Aditi. Love you, Shagun. Raghav. Hanji, Raghav. Bol diya Raghav. Okay. Let's move on to the next question of the day, everybody. 13th question on your screens. What do alveoli and nephrons have in common? What do alveoli and nephrons? Alveoli are in lungs, nephrons are in kidney. What do they have in common? Oh shit. Both are thin-walled units that greatly increase the surface area for exchange. Both secrete digestive enzymes. Both are found inside the lungs. Both store waste as resins and gums. Oh Bhagwan, what are these options? Let me know. This is a really tricky question. My name is Rajshri. Okay, Rajshri. At the end of the session, you have told me, you let me call you Chikuji. Sorry, I don't know. Okay, fine, no worries. Okay, Sandy. Bye. Yaad rakhenge. Ma'am, my name is Rajshri. Okay, A is the answer by Anjana. Hima is also saying A. Chikuji. I'll call you Chikuji. I like Chikuji better. A. Chikuji is saying A. It's okay, Kelly. Don't worry. I'll tell you the answer. Sulaim is saying C. Chikuji is saying A. Isma is saying A. Okay, great. So, you all are saying both are thin-walled units that greatly increase the surface area of exchange. Okay, great. So, let's see the answer. Should I wait for drum rolls? You make me ask every time. That is really bad, beta. That is really bad. You make me ask every time for thumbnails? Drum rolls. Yes, I like Chikuji better. I like Rajshri as well, but I just like calling you Chikuji. Chikuji. Okay, the answer on your screens, everybody, is A. Very good. A is both are thin-walled units, but alveoli and nephrons both are thin-walled units which increase the area for exchange. What are we exchanging in alveoles? Gases. And nephrons, they filter out blood. Okay, they filter out water, nutrients from it. Okay, but both are numerous, thin-walled and built around a large exchange surface. Yeah, great. I like Chikuji. Oh, Ankush also likes Chikuji. Okay, great. Done. So both are thin-walled for the exchange to occur efficiently. मैम 12th मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस के लिए एक शॉर्ट वीडियो बना दो प्लीज. ओके ओके डन डन. ओहो थैंक यू चिकू जी, थैंक यू. You are also very beautiful. I don't see you but I know. Okay, I know. Heart to heart connection. Actually the video is already there, Sulem. Magnetic chapter is there, right? So let's just try to find it. I'll make new also, but for the time being try to find that video as well. Okay, it will be there on the channel. You have to go a little down, but it's there. Okay, okay, next question on your screen everybody is, a 4-chambered heart is a characteristic of what? Fishes, amphibians, reptiles, mammals. My name is Aditi. Aditi everybody, Aditi. My name is Aditi. Okay, let me know. It is A. Chikuji is saying A. Ma'am name is Aditi. Yes, my name is Aditi. Hema is saying D. Anjana is saying B. Okay, mammals D, A, D, B. Oh, anybody can see C as well. Huh? That is only left. Okay, we have D as answer, C as answer, A as answer. 4 chambers. Who have 4 chambers? 4-chambered heart. We have 4-chambered heart. We have 4-chambered heart. What are we? We are mammals. We are mammals. Beta. So we have 4-chambered heart. So what's the right answer? Mammals is the correct answer. Mammals. Ma'am, fish cage. No, fish don't have 4-chambered heart. No, 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 no. Fish don't have 4-chambered heart. We have 4-chambered heart. Mammals, they have 4-chambered hearts. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question. The answer is mammals. Birds and mammals need full separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood for their high energy needs. Okay? Yes, fishes don't have 4-chambered heart. Correct. मैम मैंने ना कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है, मैं अगस्त से चालू कर रहा हूँ, क्या मेरा पसंद है? Of course, yes, of course. Now August is not that, it's a bit late, but it's not that late for 90%. आराम से you will be easily scoring 90%. Don't worry. Okay. Great, great. It's fine. Don't worry. Subhash is saying A. Yes, Kelly. Tell me. Okay. Last question. Not last question. I have one last question from NCERT for you. Okay. And okay, this was not. Oh, this is actually CBSE 2026. I've got you previous year questions as well. So now we'll be doing 5 previous year questions. Okay. Bas थोड़ी देर में 5 minutes. 5 maximum. Okay. Done. Yes, it's already there, Kelly. Already there. Light. Recorded is already there. I've took live of light as well, so go and watch that, and I will come live for light as well, don't worry. Okay, next question on your screen. A 4-chambered heart is a characteristic of what? Okay, I repeated that question, sorry for that. Next question on your screen. Now it is again CBSE 2026. Okay beta, in human beings, oxygen-rich blood is pumped out of the body by the what? Contraction of right atrium, relaxation of left ventricle, contraction of right ventricle, contraction of left ventricle. Tell me, think about it a little bit. Very soon, Kelly, the first chapter will be light. Yes, right. Okay, yeah, very soon, in the next week only. Okay. हाँ यार प्लीज अंकुश, सभी बच्चे go and say yes to the Ankush. subscribe the channel, like the session fast and tell me the answer. Bro and sis पढ़ लो, इतना अच्छा पढ़ा रही है मैम, इतना क्या है. Okay, thank you Yash, thank you. Okay, we Ankush, Anmol is saying C, Kelly is saying B, Anjana is saying B, Isma is also saying B, Anjana is saying C. I can't read. Okay, we have so many answers. What are the answers? B, relaxation of left ventricle. C, contraction of right ventricle. Okay, that's a tough choice. Okay, relaxation of right ventricle, contraction of right ventricle. Let's see the answers. Hi Mansoor Ahmed. Okay, hi, hello. C या B. Wow. You have to give one answer. This is MCQ, not MSQ. Yes, you are confused. Let's see. The answer on your screens, everybody. See, this is a previous year questions. That's why I got you these, because doing these is very important. Okay? Yes, my name is Archita. Hi Archita. The answer on your screen, everybody, is contraction of left ventricle. See very carefully. In human beings, oxygen-rich blood is pumped out to the body by what? Contraction of left ventricle. Beta, left ventricle, when it contracts, it sends the blood away through aorta. It sends the blood out in the body, out to the organs. That is left ventricle. Okay? Done. So the answer is D. Okay, done everybody. Okay. Now see, relaxation can't be the answer. So this answer can't be here. Okay, remaining is contraction. Now to the body, atrium can't do that because atrium receives it. So remaining is these two. And from that we have contraction of the left ventricle. Okay, Chikuji. Yeah, that HBSE, that is what? Can you explain which state is that? Rajshri, right? Okay, let's move to the next question on your screens, and that is, which statement about pancreatic juice is correct? Trypsin digests emulsified fats and lipase digests foods. Okay, trypsin digests foods and lipase digest emulsified fats. Trypsin and lipase both digest fats. Trypsin digests proteins and lipase digests carbohydrates. Okay, Haryana. Okay. Great. This is actually CBSE, but it also works for everywhere. You have same, almost the same syllabus, right? They use NCERT, right? In Punjab board, they use NCERT. Okay, C is not the answer. That I can tell you. Okay, we have the answer as B. We have the answer as D. We have the answer as B. B. Chikuji is saying B. Trypsin digests protein and lipase digest emulsified fats. Okay, so we are getting final answer as B. Final answer as B. Okay, let's see what's the correct answer. Let's see what's the correct answer. Okay, that is on your screens, everybody. That is trypsin digests proteins, lipase digests emulsified fats. B is the correct answer. Very good. Everybody, trypsin acts on proteins, lipase breaks down fats already emulsified by bile salts. Great. Very good. Ma'am, very happiest person. I also happy. That's really good. Thank you. Okay, next question on your screen, everybody. I think it's the last question for today. No, we have two more questions. Okay, second last question on your screen, everybody. The basic filtration unit of the excretory system in human beings is what? Nephron, urethra, neuron, and urinary bladder. What is the basic filtration unit, everybody? What is the basic filtration unit of the excretory system in human beings? Yes, yes. PNP. What is PNP? A. Sumitra is saying A. Hema is also saying A. Anjana, Kelly, Isma, all saying A. Kelly is saying D. Okay. Anjana is saying A. Okay. A and D are the two options. We have two contenders we have for the final answer. D or B. Alright. Give me one answer. It's that. If that's wrong, fine. If that's correct, fine. Give me one answer. A. Okay. Nihal. Nihal is saying A. Okay, all of you guys are saying Nephron. Great, great. Let's see what the final answer is. And the final answer is, beta, it is Nephron. See, they are asking about basic filtration unit. Basic means very small, on the basic level, very basic level. It is made up of, the kidney has so many of what? Nephrons. So that's the basic unit. Okay. So each kidney holds large number of nephrons, each with a Bowman's capsule collecting the filtrate. Right? So that's the final answer we have. Great. The next question on your screen, everybody, and it's the last question for today. Last question for today. Okay, everybody, your eyes should be on the board, and the question is, in the human alimentary canal, this is PYQ CBSE 2025. So give me the answer very carefully. In the human alimentary canal, the gastric gland secretes what? Bile, trypsin, pepsin, hydrochloric acid, pepsin, mucus, lipase, bile, mucus, salivary amylase, pepsin, bile. What does the gastric gland? Where is the gastric gland? Gastric gland is in? It is in what? It is in stomach. It is in stomach. Stomach. I'll call it stomach. Okay, Kelly is saying A. Okay. Kelly is saying A. B. Hema is saying B. Sandeep Pal is saying A. Sumitra is saying B. Chirag is saying A. Chikuji is saying A. Okay, stomach. We have the answer stomach. Okay, the final answer. Let's see. Okay, this is the final question. I need drum rolls from all of you. Drum rolls. Everybody, I should have drum rolls. My screen should be filled with your drum rolls, and then only I'll give you the final answer. Final answer. Come on. Final answer on your screens, on my screens. Come on, everybody. Ma'am, what happened? What are hormones? Okay, beta, hormones, these are basically the substances in your body which typically looks over the growth. Okay, they look over the growth and development in our bodies. Okay, we have drum rolls, and the answer on your screen, everybody, is it is hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus. Pepsin does what? Pepsin breaks down or convert proteins into peptides. Then hydrochloric acid does what? It does what? It fastens. Right? This pepsin needs a low pH. This pepsin needs low pH. Low pH comes from what? Acid. Acid is what? Hydrochloric acid is an acid. Right? And mucus, it protects our stomach. It is the inner lining of the stomach. It protects our stomach from the hydrochloric acid. Okay? Yes. So everybody who gave the answer B is correct. Everybody who didn't, go and watch my one shot and you will know what's the correct answer. And also you know what's the correct answer. If you want to understand it in depth, there is the live session already uploaded. Archita. Okay, Archita. Okay, great. And your final answer, HCl makes the medium acidic for pepsin, and mucus protects the stomach lining from the acid. And that is it. Every one of you will get this particular PDF in your description boxes. And one very important thing, don't go without seeing this. We have gotten you a very important course. And before you leave that, no ma'am, we don't need to buy any course. The very best thing about this course is you guys are in class 9th, right? You guys are in class 9th? No, you guys are in class, let me do 10th. Okay, you guys are in class 10th. So beta, this is the course we have. It's a prime course. Live lectures, of course you are getting live lectures. You will get this in here as well. Weekly assignments you will be getting. You will be getting 40 plus part and full length tests. Tests are one of the most important things that will make you a topper, so make sure you do that. And unlimited access to post class replays. Now beta, AI powered classroom, while the video is going on, you can ask the doubts inside the video. If it is recorded, if it is in replayed form, inside that video you will get the doubts. And how much is it? How much is it? It is literally 0 rupees. So go and join this course right now, and I will see you in that course. Ma'am, let me top students ke naam likh kar jao na please. Or what are the top students? Chiku ji is our top student. Chiku ji is one of our top students. He stayed till the end. Okay, Chiku ji, I've written your name. Chiku ji. Who else? Isma was there. Isma is there from the starting. Isma gets a heart. Okay. Okay, beta, that is it for this live session. I'll meet you in the next one. Make sure you join the course so that you will get all the weekly assignments, all the tests that you can use. Okay. Kelly. Okay, let me write Kelly. Kelly's name as well. Everybody will get a heart. So Chikuji will also get a heart. Here is your heart, Chikuji. Okay, great. Isma. Okay, sorry. Isma. Yes, there it is. Ma'am, what is the neuron? Neuron, beta. Neuron is the basic unit. Okay, it is the basic unit, a cell that carries information from your brain to the other parts of the body and vice versa as well. Okay. Ma'am, please ask me what is the definition. Oh, no. Okay, Shakti. Hello, Shakti. Ma'am, thank you, Rajshri, Chikuji. Okay, Nihal. Nihal, you want me to write your name, Nihal? Or you want me to name your name, Nihal? Okay, that is it for this particular session, beta. I will see you in the next one. Make sure you do all the things. Make sure you get this PDF from the link in the description. And I will meet you in the next lecture. pH of acid in our stomach is 1.3 to 3.4. Yes, beta. Yes, I've read it. Okay. Bye, everyone. Okay, Madhav. Bye.